I love working with Google Slides, and so every time there's an update in Slides, I get super excited. And so there was recently one about the Explore tool, so I wanted to share that with you. So I have a presentation open and it has a few different types of slide layouts, so I thought it would be a good one to use for sharing this tip. You do not have to know applications of logarithms by the end of this video. So you'll notice that as I move through the slides, in the bottom right hand corner there is an Explore button. So on slide 1 it's yellow, on slide 2 it's yellow, on slide 3 it's not yellow. Now what that means is that the Explore options look a little bit different, so I'm going to show you what they look like in both cases. When you see the Explore button is yellow, that means it has some good suggestions for you about layouts that you might want to use. So when you click that, it shows you some options for things that might look really good with what is on your particular slide. So I have a lot of different types that I could choose from, and if I wanted to, oh, I really like this one. When I select it, it will reformat that slide. It won't change the content on the slide, but it will reformat it to match what its suggestion was. You can always undo this if you don't want it to look like that. One thing you can do when you're also in this particular window is you can search your docs and the web for something. So if I wanted to search for logs, it will search the internet, it will search images of logs. I literally get logs. And then it will also search my drive. So if I had a video there or that I wanted to link to or another document that I wanted to link to, I could find all of those very, very quickly and be able to reference them. So now that was what a title page Explore looked like. The second page also gives me a couple of options. I can click Explore, and this one has different content, so you can see that these suggestions that they give me are a little bit different. So if I want to choose one that works with that particular content, I can choose whatever I want, and again, you can undo it, and you can also search. Now, when you get to a slide where the button is not yellow, you can see in this case it's not yellow. What that means is it doesn't have any suggestions. What you have is good so far. What is on there, there isn't anything better that they suggest doing with the information you have on there. However, you can still use the Explore button to search if you want to search from that slide. Here I have one with an image, and again, it will give me a different layout based on what's on that particular slide. When you add in new slides, it's giving me a minute, it will give you a few more options. So I know you were going, well, you had stuff on the slides. Why isn't it giving you options for changing that stuff, how it's formatted? It likes to start from scratch. And so if you add in a new slide, notice it's not any different from any of the rest of the slides. It starts with some different options that I might want to use. So sometimes it's best to start your slide and then check out what the cool tools are on the Explore sidebar. So that's how you use the Explore tool in Google Slides. Hopefully that makes your slides even more pretty and wonderful to work with.